Student Exam Guide. This video will cover general information regarding in-class exams. Please visit our registrar's website at www.law.fordham.edu/registrar for examination information. It includes the exam schedule and exam Q&A, the examination conflict form located under our registrar form webpage, and Section 22 of the Academic Regulations, rules governing examinations, grades, and honors. An examination conflict exists when you have two in-class examinations starting within 16 hours of each other. Please note that take-home exams do not constitute a conflict. All requests to reschedule an exam due to a conflict must be submitted within 3 weeks after the start of the semester. Please do not schedule any travel arrangements until the end of the exam period. Students should consult rules governing examinations, grades, and honors in the academic regulations before submitting this form. Exam conflicts will not be negotiated by the registrar's office after the 3rd week of the semester. During the exam period, students should not lounge or stand around the hallways on the 3rd and 4th floors. During exams, have your exam ID number and Fordham ID card handy at all times. Your exam ID starts with the letter E and is available on my.fordham.edu under the Banner Self-Service folder, subfolder Student. Click on View Exam ID. Please write your exam ID numbers on all in-class and take-home exams. Do not write your name, phone number, or student ID number on any in-class or take-home exams. Write your name on any term paper and deliver it directly to the professor before the last day of classes. On the day of your scheduled final exam, please arrive 30 minutes prior to the start of the exam. Therefore, please arrive at 9 a.m., 1 p.m., or 5 p.m. All in-class final examinations officially begin at 9:30 a.m., 1:30 p.m., or 5:30 p.m. Scheduled final exams are usually 3 hours long unless professors have made other arrangements. Please do not bring any electronic devices such as cell phones, iPads, electronic dictionaries, or tablets to the exam room. Place all your personal items in the back rows or underneath the table. For your convenience, if you do not remember your exam ID number, the proctor will provide an exam ID label, and you will then access my.fordham.edu to obtain your exam ID number. Write the number on the label and affix it to the front page of your exam paper. Proctors will ask to see your Fordham ID card before signing in. If you do not have a Fordham ID card, please bring your state identification to the Registrar's Exam Center, rooms 403 or 404, for a temporary ID card. Sign-in sheets are sorted in alphabetical order by last name. Next to your designated name row, please indicate your exam type, Blue Book or Exam 4, then sign your name. Do not write your name on any test materials. Only your exam ID number should be on all materials. Exams, blue books, scratch paper, pink exam 4 confirmation form, and Scantrons. If you have an exam ID label, affix it to the front of your exam. Students who are using exam 4 have received an exam 4 confirmation number form. Please write your exam ID number and the name of the course before the exam session starts. At the end of the exam, you will receive your 4-digit confirmation number. On Scantron forms, students must use a number 2 pencil. You must write your instructor, class, hour and day, then turn the form over and write and fill in your exam ID number. Exclude the E and only write and bubble in the numbers. You must also complete the test form, located next to the ID column. Bubble in test form A. Failure to do so will cause our Scantron machine to reject your answers. Answer marks should be completely darkened with no stray marks. If an answer needs to be changed, please erase completely and darken the mark for the new answer. All answers must be on the Scantron form. No extra time is allowed for transcribing answers. Do not fill in any other personal information and make sure that all bubbles are properly filled in. If your exam is a closed book exam, please make sure that everything on your desk is cleared. If your exam is an open book exam, please make sure that you bring hard copies of materials. You will not be allowed to access electronic files or any kind while using Exam 4. Your Fordham ID or your government-issued ID along with your temporary Fordham ID must be displayed on the right corner of your desk at all times. There will be a bathroom sign-out and sign-in sheet for restroom visits. Only one student at a time is permitted to leave for restroom visits during the exam. Please print your entire name and write the time you left and returned on the bathroom log. You may not leave the exam floor to use the restroom on a different floor. You must use the restroom on the same floor as your exam. If you experience any technical or software problems, raise your hand and a technician along with a proctor will approach you. You'll be handed a blue book. Record the time that you were given the blue book and begin writing immediately while your laptop is being worked on. The IT technician is allowed up to 5 minutes to troubleshoot the laptop issue. If the issue is not resolved within 5 minutes, you must complete your exam on a blue book. No extra time will be given, and no attempts to revert to laptop usage will be allowed. A label will be placed on your blue book, and a letter from the registrar's office will be inserted into your exam. Please do not contact your professor. At the end of the exam, students using Exam 4 will submit their exams electronically, and a 4-digit confirmation number will be generated. Please write the confirmation number in the circles on the pink Exam 4 confirmation form. Please form a line and sign out. Submit all of your exam materials, including the exam, scrap paper, blue books, pink Exam 4 confirmation number form, and the Scantron. Failure to do so will constitute academic dishonesty. Once you've successfully checked out, please exit quietly as there are still exams being taken. Students, please remember, do not contact any professors during the exam period and until the grades are entered. All questions should be referred to the registrar's office. For Exam 4 technical assistance, please contact the Law Help Desk by phone at 212-636-6786 or by email at lawhelpdesk@law.fordham.edu. If you have any issues during an exam, please visit the Registrar's Exam Center in rooms 403 and 404. Or you may email the Associate Registrar, Vanessa Garcia, at vgarcia15@law.fordham.edu if you have any exam-related questions. Thank you in advance for your cooperation, and good luck with your exams.